Moments with Dr. Greta are brought to you by the Ashley Clinic in Chanute, Kansas. Digital dementia. This was a term coined by Manfred Spitzer to describe overuse of digital technology, which could trigger memory problems and negatively affect brain structure and function. Digital dementia. So that cell phone could really screw up your brain? Well, we don't know, but there are several articles that could describe this. A lot of this was described in Pediatric News by Megan Brooks, telling about several studies. One we've known about for a long time is for our preschoolers. If you give that preschooler the cell phone or a tablet and do it over a long period of time, they are more likely to have what looks like digital dementia. They have more temper fits and their development is delayed, especially their language. Now, we've known people who have executive function problems, meaning attention span problems, and increased emotional issues if they use the phone over and over again. And we also know people have medical issues, headaches, their eyesight is worse, neck pain, they're not sleeping well. There's all kinds of physical things that go along with digital dementia, and that makes things even worse. There's something called Digital Anhedonia, where you just don't enjoy doing things as much. Individuals that seem to be on their media a lot sometimes don't want to be out around other people, and they just don't enjoy doing things. So this is a major issue as well. So what can you do? Because a lot of these things can lead not only to this idea of digital dementia, but also to anxiety, depression, and even addiction if you're doing it enough that your brain cells are putting out all that dopamine and other issues. Well, be sure that you pay attention to what your kids are watching. Have breaks. Watch something for 10 minutes and then get up and do head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Drink some water. Look a distance away. Teach your kids that they shouldn't just be so fixated on it. Give that kid a